In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive software here on a Nintendo Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, we're going to start on the home menu right here. Scroll down and you're going to see a system settings option, which looks like a gear icon. Go ahead and select that. And once you're in your system settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see data management. Once you're in data management, scroll over and you'll see your storage information here, including how much space you have left. Now inside data management, scroll down a little bit and select manage software and choose whatever, software you're wanting to archive. For example, if I want to remove, Hogwarts Legacy, I'd go ahead and select that. But once you're on your games page right here, you'd scroll down a little bit and select delete software, and you'll see a message saying that the save data will not be deleted. That essentially just means that all your progress is going to stay saved. You could also choose to keep the icon on the home menu if you want, quick access to re-download it later. Go ahead and confirm by selecting delete. And if you do decide to end up playing the game again, you're going to want to select the game icon from your home menu. It's going to prompt you to re-download it, and your save data will still be there. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.